Hello, welcome back and thanks for joining me. It's Judy from Thistledew Creations, and today I have a really cool package that I received from Jennifer from North Carolina. I'm going to call her my cousin. She's actually someone who used to date my cousin, and they broke up, but we kept her as another cousin. So we like Jennifer. She works at American Airlines, so the stuff that she sent in an American Airlines bag, and it's an insulated bag, so we can use it for picnics and lunches, and that's really handy this time of year, taking my lunch to work. We got an American Airlines Camelback, a nice water bottle, magnetic quick stow cap. So I'm not sure how this works. Oh. Anyway, it looks like a nice water bottle. Can never have too many of those around. And then there was this mug, which I absolutely love. And I just went and made myself a hot cocoa, but I didn't want to use the mug until I showed it in the video. So next time for sure, this will make me a nice double coffee. It's from Heartland Hive, designed in the USA. Hand wash only, do not microwave. I'll have to remember that because of the gold on it, likely. So we all love bees because we are the Barnhouse Bees, and Jennifer is a member of the Barnhouse Bees. She's an honorary bee. Her last name starts with B too, so she can be a bee on her own right, but she is a member of the Barnhouse ones. We've got a roll of navy blue burlap ribbon. I can't wait to use that in some collages. We've got a couple of drink cozies, North Carolina. That's where she's from. And I've never been to North Carolina, so it's kind of cool to get something from there. And I'm just looking to see if I can reuse this packaging. The trick will be getting these off, figuring out how this package is looped together. There, oh, they're good. So these just slip onto your bottle or your can, but I'm looking at this package to see if I can use it. And I can certainly use, I thought it was Mount Rushmore, but it isn't. It's different faces, but maybe I could use it for a belly band. So I'll save that too. You didn't think I was going to be as excited about the packaging as I was about the products, did you, Jennifer? Almost as excited about the packaging. Not quite. And this says Freaker USA. That must be the brand. These are nice. Nice thick knitted koozies. And then we got this adorable little jar of buttons, which do look like they're vintage buttons. So I would be curious to know where you got these, Jennifer. If they were your mom's or something, I would be, quite honored. And then along with that, there was this little snowman, kind of like a puppet, but he was sitting right on top of the jar of buttons in the box. So I think that's where he's going to stay for a while. He's so cute. And then there was this other little knitted thing. And I don't know what it is. It's on a ring, but it's a little mouse. Little round ears and a little nose with flower stamens for his whiskers and a little red hat on. And I guess he's an ornament because he has a hanger. So I'm going to hang that on my ficus tree until we get the Christmas tree up. I know I don't have my Christmas tree up, and it's, when I'm filming this, it is December, let's see here, 11th. You heat with a wood stove and a wood furnace, so the air in here gets so dry that we wait until week or two before Christmas. We'll probably get it this weekend and then get it put up I like to take my time decorating it. I don't necessarily do it all in one evening. I don't know why I'm bothering to take these staples out right now. So we got a little 3-pack of twine, brown, orange, and yellow. So I think I'm going to put those right into my autumn box. I've got a box especially for autumn and Halloween. Well, I did have it autumn and Halloween. And now I've got it separated into 2 separate boxes because the Halloween stuff was taking over. We got some gorgeous iridescent beads from Crafter's Square. So these will be great for making dangles. I used to make a lot of earrings out of this type of bead, but I haven't made a new pair of earrings in a very long time. But don't worry, Jennifer, I will use them. And then a magnet that says North Carolina Explorer. So I'll put that on my fridge. And we have some stickers, some parrots, and maybe a toucan or something. And then some pink flamingos. Those are really pretty. I'll be able to use those in my junk journaling. And there's a picture of us. There's my sister, Jennifer, and myself. And this was at a restaurant. I'm not sure where that was taken. Jennifer, if you remember where we took this picture, if you could comment down below, I'd really appreciate just to know. And it couldn't have been any sooner than 2019 unless you took the picture when you were up here, which is a possibility. Well, even that I don't think was. I think that was 2017. So it's been a while since we saw each other in person. A little pair of scissors, and they're Scherenschnitt, German word for scissors cuttings, the ancient craft of cutting paper into decorations. And I have heard that word before. So those will be fun for my fussy cutting. And then there's a bunch of these pouches. So Carrington AAaddedbenefits.com. So I don't know where these are from, but I will use them to separate little projects or a certain type of fussy cuts for a project. Or in my travel kit, it could be for different types of papers. And then there's this other one that's like these ones are like silicone bags. Or kind of like that. They feel like that. And this one is like a nylon bag with a zipper. And let's see, does it have a logo? MetLife. So she probably gets some of this stuff from work. She works at American Airlines. And I think she's in HR or something like that. Cheers, y'all. So Jennifer, we will definitely be cheersing to you this Christmas. I think you sent my sister a separate package. So we'll get together and have a drink with you. And then a little thing of Vaseline lip balm, rosy lips with petroleum jelly. Oh, I can't wait to try this. Let me just see if oh yeah, a nice natural looking rosy lip. Yum. And then I really like this too. This is an ornament, and it's the state of North Carolina with a heart. It says North Carolina right on it. I know my friend Duct Tape and Denim she was down in Texas. I'm not sure if that's where she still is. I haven't been watching her as much lately. But she was selling these, and I know she had West Virginia. I never did check for North Carolina. But I may just find a magnet and put this on my fridge too. I don't think it will end up on the tree. And then another mug. Be the reason someone smiles today. With a chocolate lab, it looks like. And daisies in his eyes. I just love that. So that'll get put into the cupboard. And that was Leanin' Tree Incorporated Michael Quackenbush. And then there was these buttons that are still on the cards. And they are fairly vintage. This one's like there's no barcode on them. $1.10, 89 cents. I don't think you'd find them that cheap anymore. But I just love buttons on cards. I'll use those to make little booklets, and these will be the fronts of the booklets. That'll be an upcoming video to watch for. I'm going to put that in my upcoming video tray. I have a little tray for videos I want to do. So, great assortment. I don't know how much it cost you to ship it, Jennifer, but FedEx wasn't really doing their job very well because I did have to pay $23 to get them to leave it with me, but that's okay. That's just the way the mail is these days and the way that our two countries are getting along. So it might have just been HST, but it was probably duty as well. Anyway, I really, really appreciate it, and I love everything, and my sister and I will be getting a package together over the next few weeks, and probably in January or maybe closer to Family Day in February, we'll send you another package. So that'll be fun. We'll make you some things, we'll find you some things. So if you've got ideas of things we should send you that you'd be looking for instance, then let us know, because you know us, we'll send you whatever you want. So I hope that the rest of you have enjoyed seeing this little video. It's something we started with our family, is sending a box more with like little gifts and presents in it. And then we've got them to reciprocate, even though the shipping on them is fairly hefty. Like a box, for us, a box the size that this stuff was in could take $20 to $30 to ship it. But we're not traveling to there anymore, and that cost us thousands of dollars. So it's cheaper than going there, and at least we're still interacting with them, exchanging gifts, and having a laugh or two too when we send each other little funny things. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it gives you an idea that just because you're long distance doesn't mean you can't still have fun together. So like, comment, share, and subscribe, but most of all, have a great day and happy crafting.